Have you ever wondered why the French are so fond of escargot? Heston Blumenthal's snail porridge at the Fat Duck in Bray is a renowned dish that exemplifies his innovative culinary approach, combining unexpected ingredients like snails and oats to create a surprising and delightful gastronomic experience. It turns out that these humble snails are not just a culinary delight, but also a nutritional powerhouse. Surprisingly, snails are making waves in the health and nutrition world. Yes, you heard that right, snails! These garden dwellers are packed with numerous health benefits beyond their reputation as pests. One of the remarkable aspects of snails is their rich protein content. They offer a lean, low-fat alternative to traditional protein sources like beef or chicken, making them an excellent option for those seeking a healthier diet or aiming for weight loss. Additionally, snails are a treasure trove of iron, a crucial mineral for producing red blood cells and transporting oxygen throughout the body. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, causing fatigue and weakness, so adding snails to your diet can help maintain your energy levels and overall health. But the benefits of snails don't end there. These creatures are also a fantastic source of magnesium, a mineral involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the human body. Magnesium supports normal nerve and muscle function, boosts the immune system, and helps keep bones strong. Another compelling reason to consider snails is their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, known for reducing inflammation and promoting heart health. In addition to these nutritional benefits, snails are loaded with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage. They also contain a unique compound called Helix aspersa, Muller glycoconjugates, renowned for its anti-aging properties and commonly found in high-end skincare products. Consuming snails could potentially give you a natural glow that surpasses what any cream or serum can achieve. To sum it up, snails are not only a gourmet food item, but also a nutrient-dense one. They offer lean protein, iron, magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin E, along with potential anti-aging benefits. In our quest for the next superfood, it's time to recognize the humble snail for its exceptional health benefits. While it might seem unusual at first, the advantages of eating snails are too significant to ignore. The French may have been onto something with their love for escargot, and perhaps we should take a culinary cue from them and add snails to our plates. After all, good health often starts with good food. Remember though, like any food, snails should be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet, and it's essential to ensure they are properly cooked to avoid any health risks. So the next time you see a snail leisurely moving across your garden, give it a nod of respect. It's not just a garden dweller, it's a superfood in a shell in it.